Did you know the greatest NASCAR driver of all time couldn't win the sport's biggest race for 20 years? Dale Earnhardt Sr. won 7 championships and 76 Cup Series races, but the Daytona 500 broke his heart 5 times. The Intimidator dominated the 80s and 90s, winning titles in 1980, 86, 87, 90, 91, 93, and 94. His aggressive driving style made him a legend, but Daytona was his curse. Mechanical failures, last lap crashes, and heartbreak after heartbreak. Finally, in 1998, at age 47, Earnhardt crossed the finish line first. Every single pit crew on pit road congratulated him as he drove by. The man who earned over $30 million and built a merchandise empire had finally conquered his demon. But here's the tragic twist. 3 years later, Earnhardt died in a final lap crash at the exact same track while protecting his son Dale Jr. and teammate Michael Waltrip, who finished first and second. His death led to safety improvements that have saved countless drivers since.